यातला इतलो पॉवरफुल आसा की इट इज लायक टाटा IPL फॅन पार्क की इट इज मेंट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट LED घालता आणि रिफ्रेशमेंट सर्व करता अशा तरेन बरो कॉन्सेप्ट हे केला आणि त्या खेपे ते 5 सिटींनी IPL फॅन पार्क टाटा IPL फॅन पार्क केला ते 5 सिटी म्हणजे एक आमच्या मडगांवां SG बिग ग्राउंडार 16 ते 17 तारखेक आणि बाकीच्या सिटींनी आसा ते पटियाला इंदोर गोवा शिवमोगा आणि नंदगांव तर ते BCCI तेंचो इतली म्हत्वाची भूमिका म्हाका दिसता हे घेतल्या ती लोकांक एंटरटेनमेंट जाता आणि भरपूर लोकांक हे एंटरटेनमेंट जाता आनी लोक खूब मोठ्या संख्येन पळोवन येता सो सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार BCCI पॉवरफुल कन्सेप्ट केला ताची महत्वाची भूमिका हांव क्रेडीट दिता ICC चेअरमॅन आमचो जय शाहजी हॅट्स ऑफ टू यू बऱ्या तरेनी हें करून दिलां आमकां तुमच्यान हजारांनी लोक पळोवंक येता आतां 16-17 तारखेक मडगांव आसतले तशें आतां फुडें आनी कितें सांगतले जाल्यार मातसो आमचो ट्रेजरर अब्दुल मजीद
Mr. Irfan from BCCI Finance team and our secretary, our president Mahesh Desai for GCA GOA administration. We welcome TATA IPL Fan Park 2026. It is our greatness to have a IPL fan park in Goa. There are a lot of states are there who are looking forward to have that, and so it is very important. Goa is having that also in Margao SGPDA ground, and we ask most of the people to be there and enjoy the match. We have on 16th and 17th May. 16th May we have KKR and GT. And 17th May we have DC and Rajasthan Royal, that's Delhi. There will be a lot of entertainment. We ask each and everyone to be there, enjoy yourself. There will be lucky draw, there will be lucky entry, there will be a lot of food will be on concession, and you see most of the games will be provided for the kids, and there will be people who win the entry coupon like this. They will get a T-shirt, these T-shirts. And I would just say enjoy TATA IPL Fan Park 2026.
In addressing this occasion, I would also like to thank Mr. Mahesh Desai and Mr. Abdul Majid sir for coming here and raising this event. So before we move on, this is not the first time we are doing the fan park in Goa. So before this also we have done fan parks over here, and you all know what the fan park is all about. So basically BCCI started this in the year 2015 with 15 cities, and today we are doing almost 50 cities every year. Like every weekend we do 5 cities all over India. So the main purpose was to promote cricket and promote IPL to those places where the matches are not played in the stadium. So basically for the people and for the cricketing fan of those cities, BCCI wanted to give them that experience, what it is like watching a match in a stadium. So before we move on and before I'll tell you what all the facilities we have, we would just like to have a look at the visuals, what the fan park, and later I'll just tell you what all facilities and what all things we have in the fan park. So please. What the fan park and what the fan park look and feel will be all about, and what the fun and excitement will be all about. So here, this time we are doing it in Madgaon. So last year also I think we did it here only, right? And before that I think we did it in just placed next to this stadium. So that was the final we did in 2024. last year. So this year we are doing it at Madgaon. The venue will be SGPDA ground opposite INOX theatre in Madgaon. So there will be total 3 matches that will be broadcasted at the IPL fan park. So on Saturday there will be a single header which will be played between Calcutta Knight Riders and Gujarat Titans. And on the Sunday, on the 17th of May, that is Sunday, there will be there will be double headers. One will be played. First match will be between Punjab Kings versus Royal Challengers Bangalore, and second will be between Delhi Capitals and Rajasthan Royals. So I would like to, on behalf of BCCI, I would like to invite all the cricketing fans and people of Madgaon and Goa to come and enjoy the matches at the IPL fan park with your friends and families. You are basically, it's one of the purpose, it's to promote community living over here where people of all walks of life come here and enjoy. And the best part of IPL fan park, the entry is free. There are no charges. It will be first come first basis. So along with this, all the basic facilities are taken care of, like the security and safety of the people. There will be bouncers and private securities will be there. There will be free drinking water which will be supplied to people. And then the washroom, mobile washrooms will be there. There will be fire safety things. Whatever basic things you get it at the stadium, the same will be provided. Only thing that matches will be shown on the large screens instead of people, the players playing it on the ground. Other than everything will be a same kind of atmosphere, and the field will be the same normally what you get at the stadium. So along with all the safety and security precautions, there are a paramedical team which will be available at the venue. So with this, there are all multiple kind of fun-filled activities will be there for youngsters, for the kids, and there are special sitting zone for the senior citizens, for the pregnant women. We have made a special arrangements all over, wherever the IPL fan parks for mostly for the senior citizen. And there will be a lot of other fun-filled activities other than match. The match will be there. That's the main thing, highlight of the IPL fan park. Along with that, we also have this lucky draw coupon where people will be entering it, will be getting this kind of ticket. So where they will have to just drop this counterfoil in the drop box, and at the mid innings, from one of guests who will be there at the thing, they will just pick up one of this thing, and who will be lucky, they will be getting this signed jerseys. These are the original jerseys worn by the players, basically, are signed originally by all the players of those teams. So basically they will also get this opportunity to get this movement. Obviously it will be, I don't know who the lucky one will be, but normally it's not so easy to get the original jersey that to sign by players. So I would like to request all the cricketing fans to come here and enjoy this IPL fan park. It's like a carnival that happens every year. Now the IPL, though, we don't have to tell anybody what it has become like. It's become like a cricketing festival of India. Like these 2 months, people all over India, not just in India, across other parts also, these matches have been watched, and they just enjoy this game. So one of the things we also want to promote cricket also. So cricket now in India doesn't need any kind of promotion, but basically still we just want all the kids, the families to come together and come and sit and enjoy the IPL fan park. So that's
and the place has been already larger and we are satisfied. So because Ahmedabad and already confident which
Goa needs a stadium. Genting stadium. So whether it is in Maulingi, Bicholi or Gargar, the need of the hour is the stadium. Gocha Genting stadium there, Maulingi, Assam Maulingi, Gargar. But right now we require stadium very badly. Almost all the clearances have been given. First, it's a matter of time.
The clearances have been given from which place? Maulingi or Gargar?
Maulingi also has the Gargar also.
So we got clearances are given.
Yes, sir.
Because कोई स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर और निकला ऐसा कि हम इसमें जा करके हेल्प दिलेना ऐसा नावडी जीसीए टू जय कोणाली काम स्टार्ट करू because they are financially sound. सो ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करता है आम्ही सांगतो दिला ना सर समस्या डिले करून आम्ही गावात दिला दिवस चिंता नाही सर्व असेल
चुकीचे असतात थोडी क्लिअरन्सी सुटल्या जर त्यांना क्लिअरन्स झाल्या पाहिजे त्यांना आम्ही इमिजिएटली फाउंडेशन सुरू करता येईल
सर 4-5 महिन्यांनी
डेफिनेटली
See, the capacity will be around 8 to 10,000 people. So normally, whenever we have done a IPL fan party and work all over across India, we have been getting good response. Now people want us to do India cities and that. So wherever we normally get good response previous cities, so we try to repeat those cities. So in Goa last year also it was around 10 plus thousand people came here to watch IPL match. And this year we are expecting a lot more numbers than that.
सर ये 10,000 बड़ा नंबर है तो गोवा में जैसे लोग छुट्टियां मनाने आते हैं एंजॉय करने आते हैं तो एज अ फैन एज अ नॉट अ जर्नलिस्ट एज अ क्रिकेट फैन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ पर एक क्रिकेट ग्राउंड होना चाहिए सर प्लीज आई वॉन्ट योर आंसर इन हिंदी सर
क्रिकेट ग्राउंड होना चाहिए तो सर क्रिकेट ग्राउंड होना चाहिए तो वो सर तो कैंकर है और यहाँ ग्राउंड तो है ना क्रिकेट
जैसे में हम IPL मैचेस करा सकते हैं जैसे मतलब टीवी पर देख रहे हैं एंजॉय कर रहे हैं एटमॉस्फेयर तो सेम है बट हम अपने उन प्लेयरों को खेलते भी देखना चाहते हैं इनको टीवी में देखकर हम बड़े हुए हैं सर
Definitely we will be having ground, we will build a stadium, just give us some time. It should come, we will lay foundation for maybe another 4-5 months.